Okay, I believe that we have understood somehow, if not completely, how to go about the settings of this Legend app. And what we should take note of is that each video, the purpose of the video, each video goes with a suitable format. So you will know the videos that you need to use the square format or the landscape format. Then having said that, we'll come over to this, the effects, the display effects. So by default, what you are seeing displaying now is this daring display effect, and then the color is this one right here. That is why it is having that background. Then there's motion at the background, then the way the text display. Then there is another one, lines. Sorry. So the lines here, they will display in a different way. Display is another one. This is how the display works. And then quoted, this is how it works. Dash, this is how dash works. So I want you to observe something. Yes, on the color and the fonts, we have just selected one color and one font. For you to see that the display, the effect on the display is not only uh, based on the kind of color you have chosen, or is not only based on the kind of display effect that you have chosen. There is more to that, that is even beyond what I can explain here. You see that we choose only this color, and what is supposed to be is that the background is going to appear this way, while the color would be the color of the text, that's the font text, would look like this. But if we choose, for example, lines, the motion at the background will change. If we choose display, the motion at the background would also change. I seen it. If you choose quoted, it changes again. Then if we go on to choose another color, for example this, okay, you see it has changed. We pick display, it has changed. We pick dash, it has changed. We pick point blank, it has changed. The only thing that changes is the display effect, how the how do I call it, the animation. Yes, that is what changes. So you discover that if there are some of the colors you choose, it affects or it adds motion to the background, while there are some colors you choose and it only display color, maybe a gradient color at the background. Like this white color now is giving us a deep color. There is no gradient at the back, but if I choose another one, you see that it will be somehow gradient. So these ones, you just have to play about around with all these things, then you see how it works. So this one, it has motion at the background. This one, there is no motion at the background. This one too, no motion. This one, no motion. This one has a motion at the background. Let me go to quote. You see, there is motion at the background. The same thing with this. And Yes, this also. In essence, what you want to create will then determine the kind of animation you apply to the text. That will determine the kind of font family. The font family I mean is how this text appear. You know, this text appeared somehow cursive, all right, and it will also determine the color that you are going to apply to it. Having it in mind that colors in graphic colors has meanings, and font also they have their meaning as well. So you can play around all this, just check the one that suits you, then try to create something with it. Before I stop this video, I would like to show us the last thing at the bottom. Under here you have the messenger icon, share button, and then download icon. Sorry. So if you want to share directly to your messenger, you click on it, it's going to export, and then it will lead you to where you are going to share it on your messenger. If you want to share it on other platforms, you first of all choose either to share it as a GIF or as a video. Then if you don't want to share it, you want to save it in your gallery, you click on this download icon, you see save as GIF and save as video. So you choose the one you want. Anyone you choose is going to start saving. Once it finishes saving, you go to your gallery, there you see it. So let me stop this video here for now.